In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten video in CapCut PC. If your screen recording came out too dark, muddy, or just difficult to read, don't worry. CapCut on PC gives you a very simple way to manually improve the lighting so your video looks cleaner and easier to watch. This is especially helpful for tutorials, software demos, spreadsheets, or any recording where clarity on screen really matters. To begin, look down at your timeline tracks and click once directly on your video clip block. You want to make sure the clip is selected, and you'll know it is when it becomes highlighted with a white border. This step is important because CapCut only shows the editing controls for the clip you currently have selected. Next, move your attention up to the top right Properties panel. In that workspace, click on the Adjustment tab. Once you're there, make sure you're under the Basic submenu row. This is where CapCut keeps the core color and lighting controls, and it's the area you'll use to brighten the clip without making unnecessary changes to other settings. Now let's start fixing the darker areas of the video. Scroll down slightly inside the panel until you see the section labeled Light. In that section, find the Brightness slider. Click and drag the slider handle to the right until it reaches around +10. As you do this, keep an eye on the preview monitor. You should immediately notice the overall exposure lifting, which helps remove that dull, muddy look and makes the entire screen recording appear clearer. Once the general exposure looks better, the next step is to improve the brightest parts of the screen so details stand out more cleanly. Look just below the brightness control and find the highlight slider. Drag that one to the right as well, to around +8. This adjustment focuses on the lighter parts of the image, so it can help white backgrounds, menu areas, and spreadsheet grids look more crisp and polished without flattening the smaller details like text or numbers. As you make these adjustments, it's a good idea to keep checking the preview so you can judge the result visually. Small changes can make a big difference, especially with screen recordings where readability is the priority, and that's it. With just a couple of quick slider adjustments, you've brightened your video and improved its visibility in CapCut on PC. Your clip should now look cleaner, brighter, and much easier for viewers to follow. Done.